The long shelf tower, long shoe tower, short shelf tower, and short shoe tower are all built very similarly. First, you're going to take your cabinet hanger and your two gold Euro screws. You're going to attach the cabinet hanger to the top of the left and right ends where your notch is and the two horizontal screw holes up top. After the hangers are connected to the ends, you're going to take your connecting bolts. You're going to attach those four bolts to the very top inserts on both sides. After that, you're going to come down to the 29th hole from either end, and that's where you're going to put your additional connecting bolts in the front and the back side of both of your ends. Next, you're going to add the connecting bolts to the bottom side of both ends. Now that both of the ends are ready to go, we're going to prepare our top, bottom, and horizontal divider. To do that, we'll take the white rafixes and with the hole pointing out, trying to keep that as straight as possible, we're just going to hit those in with a rubber mallet. Now we're going to attach the top, bottom, and horizontal divider. Note that for the short shelf tower and the short shoe tower, you will not have a horizontal divider, but only a top and bottom. So to put that horizontal divider in, we're going to put the rafixes facing towards the bottom side of the closet unit. We'll just slide that right over the connecting bolts, and then with a screwdriver you can simply tighten those rafixes approximately a quarter of a turn until they feel tight, and it'll be locked into place. Next, we're going to put our bottom in as well, so the rafixes will slide over those connecting bolts again. You'll take your screwdriver, tighten it about a quarter turn or so until it feels tight, then you'll be locked in place. Lastly, we're going to take the top, and then the rafixes will be pointing towards the upper side, so that way we can get access to them over those cabinet hangers there. And once we push that down into place, we'll take our screwdriver once again and tighten those rafixes up. After all three are connected for the long towers, or just the top and bottom for the short towers, we'll take the opposing side, set it on top of the top and bottom and dividers there, and then the connecting bolts will slide right into your rafixes. Then after you have that on there, we're going to go down and tighten the rafixes. I just turned the unit to try and allow for a better view for you guys to see it easier. Then after you have all these locked in place, your unit is ready to go. All there's left to do is to hang it on the wall and add in your adjustable shelves with the adjustable shelf pins, and you are good to go.